Hi grade 3. So today we will start a new chapter. We will start with the first lesson about points, lines, line segments and rays. So let's start. Our objectives for today is to define the meaning of the line, line segments and rays. So now we will know the difference between the line segment and rays. Let's start first by what I mean by the point. A point has no size or shape, just a position. So here I have, for example, this dot. It means point M. So this is what I mean by a point. Let's go now to the line. So what I mean by a line is a straight path of a point that has no beginning or end. Why we say that the line has no beginning or end? Because it contains arrows in both ends. So this means that the line, it has no beginning or end. It will still moving till infinity. How I can call it? I can say line XY, and here I will make it more clear. Here I should put arrow in both ends to represent the line. So this is how I will call the line. So I will say line XY. Now let's go to the line segment. A line segment is a portion of line that has two endpoints. So the line segment is a portion of a line. Why we said it's a portion of a line? Because here it's my line, for example, XY. If I took only this part from my line, it will give me what we call it line segment. And as you can see here, the line segment, it has two endpoints. So this is the first endpoint and this is the second endpoint. So it has a starting point and also it has ending points. How I will call it? I will say the line segment AB. And here, as you can see, there is no arrows in both ends. It doesn't contain any arrows. Now let's go to the ray. What I mean by array? Array is a portion of a line which has one endpoint and extends 4 over in one direction. Again, the ray, it's a portion of a line. Why we said it is a portion of a line? Because if I have, for example, this is my line. If I took from this line this part, for example, it will give me ray. And here, as you can see, in one end I have here endpoints, while in the other ends I have the arrow. Arrow mean it will continue till infinity. So this is what I mean by ray. So the ray, it's a portion of a line which has no endpoints and one endpoint and extends 4 over in one direction. So it's move only in one direction. In the other direction, it will be fixed. How I can call it? I will say, for example, the ray PQ. And to make it more clear, here I have only one arrow. So this is what I mean by ray. It has in one end the end point like this one, and in one direction it contains the arrow. This is what is the difference between the point, line segment and ray. So again, let's revise. So we say that the line, we indicate a line with arrows at both ends to show that the line continues 4 over in both directions. So if I have the line with 2 arrows, I should know that this is what I mean by the line. For the line segment, I didn't have any arrows. I have only 2 ending points. Here is the first one, and here I have the second one. What about the ray? The ray, it has in one point end points, and in the other I have the arrow. So it has one ending point, and in the other side it has arrow to show that it will move only in one direction. So this is what I mean by point, line, line segment, and ray. Again, point, line, line segment, and ray.